in this video we are doing bottle empties. As you can see, I have like a lot of things here and all of these are mostly empty, and we're gonna talk about if I'm gonna repurchase, recommend it to you, or it's like just a drop. Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, and everything that I have today here is available on Amazon, and सब कुछ हर बार की तरह नीचे linked है. And as I have a lot of products, so without further ado, let's start the video. सबसे बड़ी बॉटल से मैं स्टार्ट करती हूँ. Okay, so this is the body wash that I have been using and loving. This is by Dove. It's their Even Tone Radiance. इसमें एक और भी वेरिएंट आता है. I have not used that, but next I'm planning to buy that and this one also. Definitely repurchase this. It has like little जो scrub होता है, but it's not very harsh on your skin, so it's exfoliating for your skin. So I absolutely love it, and it smells so good. Like this one smells like coconut plus vanilla, so it just makes me happy when I'm taking a shower. Another bottle empty that I have is by this brand L'Occitane, and this one is super expensive, by the way. I have talked about it in one of my previous Amazon video, like I think 6 months ago, कि भाई बहुत महंगा product लिया है, overnight serum है. So this is oil in serum, and as you can see I have used it like the complete bottle, and I have applied it overnight and everything, but it is a good product, but I don't think that I'll be spending like 5,900 rupees again on this one product. I would rather try something else. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि और जो अफोर्डेबल ब्रांड्स है इससे कम रेंज में बट बेटर इफेक्टिंग प्रोडक्ट मिल जाएगा. सो माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस has not been that like extraordinary with this, but again the bottle is nice, but no, I will not buy it again. So this is something I am not recommending. Next product, which is very dermat recommended. So I have very dry skin, okay, and I also have suffered from a lot of skin diseases and skin problems. So one of my dermats recommended me this company. This is like really moisturizing, and it has like a very light fragrance, तो वो sensitive skin के लिए बहुत suitable लगता है मुझे ये body lotion. And as it says, it's for normal to dry skin. So when my dermat gave me the cream, it was in like a box, but now I thought let's buy it in a pump, and ये पूरा मैं खाली कर चुकी हूँ because I use it every day and sometimes twice a day. So ये बहुत ही जल्दी मैंने ख़त्म कर दिया है, and of course definitely I'm gonna repurchase this. So this has been good on my skin, like it's mainly for my body, not for my face. So yeah, this is something I would definitely repurchase. And next product that I want to talk about is this one. It's almost empty, okay, I know कि पूरा ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है ये, but this one's again by this brand called Laneige. This is one of those brands that I love, ठीक है, I love. And बाकी लड़कियों की तरह भी सबसे पहला जो मेरा प्रोडक्ट था इस ब्रांड का was a lip balm and a lip mask. So उसमें मैं बाद में आऊँगी, but this is their cream skin, ठीक है. It's just a refiner, basically it's a serum, but अगर तुम मॉइस्चराइज़र में थोड़ा सा पानी मिला दोगे और वो मॉइस्चराइज़र पतला हो जाएगा, ठीक है. आई होप दैट आई एम सेइंग इट राइट, बट उतना इसका टेक्सचर है, ये एकदम सिरम लाइक टेक्सचर भी नहीं है इसका, और एकदम मॉइस्चराइज भी नहीं है ये. वाओ, माय गॉड, दिस मेक्स माय स्किन फील सो गुड, लाइक सो गुड. अगर मैं इसको अपने मेकअप से पहले लगाऊँ तो एक बहुत ही अच्छा मुझे हाइड्रेटिंग बेस मिल जाता है टू डू माई मेकअप ऑन. एंड इवन इन माई नाइट टाइम स्किन केयर रूटीन आई लव दिस. नाउ दिस इज़ अ वेरी बिग बॉटल. इसका आई थिंक छोटा साइज़ भी आता है, एंड यू कैन ट्राई दैट. नाउ दिस वन रिटेल्स फॉर 2480 रुपीज़ एंड 170 ml इसका क्वान्टिटी है, बट थिंक इस पर भी अमेजोन पे डिस्काउंट है, एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ लिंक्ड इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. आई नो दैट my channel is not completely beauty slash skincare वाले category में मैं आती हूँ, but I do one video every month recommending my favorites and something that I genuinely believe in. So this is the video of the month. Okay, next product that is again empty. ये भाई बहुत यूज़ होता है मेरे घर में बहुत ज़्यादा, like even I've recommended it to my in-laws. They absolutely love it. My husband loves it, and I to definitely love it. This is a sunscreen by Dot & Key. It's vitamin C plus E sunscreen, and this is super lightweight on your face, and I just genuinely love it. मुझे इतनी बार मैं इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बात कर चुकी हूँ, बट अगेन टेलिंग यू टू ट्राई इट आउट इफ़ यू हैव नॉट. सो दिस इज़ समथिंग आई वुड डेफिनेटली रीपरचेज. सो इट्स गोइंग इन माई रीपरचेज लिस्ट. अब तक एक प्रोडक्ट ऐसा मैंने निकाला है जो मैं नहीं खरीदने वाली हूँ, बट ओके लेट्स सी. नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट अगेन दैट आई वुड डेफिनेटली रीपरचेज एंड आई वुड डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड यू टू ट्राई इज़ दिस टिंटेड सनस्क्रीन बाय डॉट एंड की. ये भी खाली कर चुकी हूँ मैं, second bottle, and this is again super like hello, this is what I'm wearing on my face right now. आज मैंने concealer भी नहीं लगाया है guys. This is how it looks. The sunscreen, setting spray plus compact of course to set it all off. ये इसका look आता है. It is such a good sunscreen. It gives you a really nice even kind of a even tone look, but I do feel confident and satisfied with my skin when I wear it. So this is again highly recommended, and of course I will repurchase this. Next product that I wanna talk about, and if I will or not repurchase this, if I will or not rebuy, are these eye creams, eye serum from L'Oreal. This one's also by L'Oreal. ये मैंने बहुत पहले यूज़ किया था एंड ये कम्प्लीटली ख़त्म कर चुकी हूँ मैं. एंड देन नाउ व्हाट आई एम यूजिंग विच इज़ ऑल्सो ओवर इज़ दिस eye cream. It's Revitalift eye cream. Now this is an eye serum, and I personally would recommend if you're someone who wears a lot of makeup, sunscreens and basically any skin product, and तुम्हें रात को होता है ना कि भाई थोड़ा सा अपनी eyes को मैं शांति दूँ, because when you use screen also like me, I use a lot of screen, ठीक है, तो your eyes, even the skin around your eyes get tired, so you need something to relax. I'm not saying you need a product in general, but I am a very I need a product for this part of my body, I need a product for this part of my body, that kind of a person. So that's why I keep on trying everything, almost everything on the internet, and I just want to say that I will not repurchase this, but I will repurchase this eye cream. I think eye creams are anyway more effective than just eye serums. This is something I would definitely recommend and repurchase, and you can definitely skip this one. Okay, now we have two products that I'm not buying again, and sixth product that I am buying again. Okay, next L'Oreal product that I have is this Infallible setting spray. Now ये भी खाली हो चुका है. This is my third or fourth bottle that I've used, and of course I am repurchasing it. This does not let your makeup move. Like, even if you're buying this tinted sunscreen and you don't want to wear any makeup, but this transfers a lot, just use both of these. ये तुम्हारी sunscreen या makeup को हिलने नहीं देगा. It's such a nice good product. Like, I love it, and it's waterproof, so you can wear it in swimming pool, and it's sweat proof, so it will help a lot in summer. So make sure that you get your hands on this. If you have not tried it, just use it once मेरे कहने से, and I hope it helps because it has helped me a lot. Like, yes, definitely going in my repurchase list. Okay, next product that is empty and I am definitely repurchasing is this Laneige lip balm. As I said, this lip balm and the lip sleeping mask also, this one is like my most used product on lips, and I have recommended it to so many of my close friends. I've gifted it to them also, and this is something I would definitely recommend. It might seem a little pricey for like a lip balm, but it does help your lips a lot. So yep, definitely repurchasing this. Next product that I have is a hair care product. Now, why this? First of all, these bottles are so cute. जो Indie Wild का oil है ना, like this one, you must have heard like a lot of people talking about it. I absolutely love this because मुझे ना इसका जो fragrance है वो बहुत पसंद है. Of course, so it has like a lot of good Ayurvedic oils in it, and it's like a chumpy hair oil. It does make your scalp feel so relaxed. Plus the fragrance is so nice ना, like इसमें जैस्मीन या चंपा उसकी किसी की खुशबू है, and बहुत ही प्यारी स्मेल है इस ऑयल की. लाइक ये मैं एक्चुअली लगा के भी रख सकती हूँ अपने बालों पे, जबकि मुझे ऑयल लगा के रखना बिल्कुल भी नहीं पसंद है. सो वाई डू आई हैव दिस? सबसे पहले मैंने ये जो मिनी पैक आता है ये ऑर्डर किया था. दिस वन कम्स विद लाइक चम्पी ऑयल एंड दिस मून सिरम. आई हैव नॉट यूज द फुल amount of this also. This is their hair growth serum, so I did not feel the need to use it. Definitely recommend you to try the Indie Wild का जो चम्पी ऑयल है, and because it's like an थोड़ा सा expensive product, you know, जब when it comes to like oiling your hair, so not everybody is comfortable or wants to spend that much. So just start with these tiny bottles, and if you feel that it is worth spending the money, then go for the big bottle. But I think that it is, but still, if you still just starting out and it's your first time trying this brand, then go for the tiny bottles. And Amazon has this combo, and I will link it down below for you. Next thing that I want to recommend, ख़त्म नहीं करी है मैंने. like अभी लिपस्टिक तुम यार कितने सालों में ख़त्म कर पाते हो. So I also have not finished it, but I did want to talk about this and recommend it to you because this is the only video I think I'm doing this month about makeup and skincare. This is the color that I'm wearing abhi on my lips, and it's such a beautiful mauvish nude. And why I love this is because इसमें तुम्हें लिपस्टिक तो मिल ही रहा है, ठीक है, but you are getting like a liner also on the other side, so you don't need to mix match a lip liner. You have the lip liner in this one product only. This one's by Tipsy Beauty, and I think they have like a lot more colors. Let me tell you which color do I have here. I have Nutella. Nice, smart. It's a very mauvish chocolatey brown color, and this is super affordable by the way. And for the product that it is, like lip liner plus lipstick in one product, it's amazing. I feel color okay that you get, and this is the color of the lip liner. So look, I am loving my lips right now. It's completely matte and I love it, and I'll highly recommend it. I will definitely repurchase another color in this, like a pink version, like a light pink that suits my skin tone. But yeah, this was it about today's video. This was my recommendation to you, and do let me know if you have used any of these products and if you're planning to use any product. And अगर तुमको इसमें से भी जो मैंने बोला है कि I will repurchase, इसमें से तुमको कुछ नहीं पसंद है and क्यों नहीं पसंद है, I would love to know that. Like, let's chat in the comment section below. Please जाने से पहले सब्सक्राइब कर देना, लाइक कर देना वीडियो को, and I'll see you guys super soon in my next video.